Basic building block number 8, duplicate. Now this is the fundamental principle of network marketing. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Alright, the biggest mistake you can make in network marketing is to get all the knowledge, all the experience, put it all here, lock and swallow the key. Alright, it totally contradicts the principle of network marketing. Network marketing requires you to share and duplicate, and the purpose why this 8 basic building blocks program is the most important program you will ever need in network marketing, because it is the easiest program to duplicate to your next level, to your next level, to the next level. That this whole program of 8 basic building blocks, if you just finish watching this video, I pray that you will be able to share it with somebody immediately after watching. Short, sweet, simple, easy to duplicate. Now, what is the principle of duplication? Network marketing requires you to take all your knowledge, all your experience, your do's and don'ts, alright, how you handle crises, challenges, alright, downline, country, legal, whatever, alright, and share it immediately with your next line. So what you need to do in this concept of duplicate is identify your core leadership. It can be 4, 8, 12, 16. Now please don't tell me that I have 100 core leaders, that I know you are lying, alright, because I'm talking about serious core leadership, guys. I'm talking about we partner quality, who are the core leadership of Dato Sri Vijay and Japa. Now once you have identified your core leadership, alright, make them you. Make them clones of you, or even better. That everything you know, every experience, everything transfer to them. Now once you have transferred to your core leadership, alright, they must duplicate the same and transfer to the next level, and the next level, and the next level. Now as you transfer knowledge, as you transfer experience, there's bound to be some leakage here and there. And how do you prevent this? How do you make sure that the duplication in your organization happens perfectly, but more importantly, effectively? And that's where the system comes in. Your events, VTube, VCon, ISB, your own systems, your own leadership camps, all of that, alright, constantly running like a well-oiled machine as the power of duplication happens. Guys, I cannot stress enough the purpose of duplication. Now, why I love network marketing compared to any other concept of entrepreneurship, because this is the only concept of entrepreneurship where you want your downline to be better than you. It is the only concept of entrepreneurship where you give all your knowledge without holding back secrets. Because in traditional business, in employment, your bosses do not want you to supersede them. Your bosses don't want you to be better than them. But in network marketing, guys, alright, I want all of you to be as good and most importantly, better than me as my downlines. Because that's the only way, alright, you achieve financial freedom. That's the only way you can sit on a beach and drink mango juice on an island that you own. Duplication, duplication, duplication. The rules of network marketing is very simple. Don't do anything so complicated, alright, that it cannot be duplicated. Network marketing is not about personalities. It's about a system that can be copied and applied anywhere and everywhere at any time. This is the philosophy of network marketing. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. Now guys, these 8 basic building blocks, starting with the dream, alright, the most powerful fundamental pillar that ignites a fire here, but more importantly here, that you need to find that dream, that you're willing to fight for, you're willing to die for, a dream that keeps you going no matter what. Commitment, alright, commitment to the business by time and hours and effort. Alright, commitment to your personal growth, commitment to the system, commitment to your uplines, the V, your system, your organization, and ultimately to Dato Sri Vijay and Japa. Alright, but this is a business and it requires commitment from you. That this cannot be a hobby, this cannot be a part-time thing. Alright, no matter how much time you spend on this business, your commitment here must be always full-time. The list, the list, the list, the list. fundamentals of network marketing. The list of dreams and the list of names. And the list of names I want to emphasize. Minimum 150. Increase by 15 every month, non-negotiable. That list is what's going to get you to max out. Don't be confused. You're not going to max out accidentally. You're going to max out by doing what you need to do. Presentation, follow through, sign up of everyone on the list, and you will find your max out kings and queens on your left and right, which automatically takes you to the next level and faster towards max out. Inviting and prospecting, guys. The art of invitation. I started a business. I'm looking for a few strategic partners. I partnered with a fantastic e-commerce company in Hong Kong, and I got a few positions left open for somebody to join me. Can we meet for coffee? Remember, the purpose of the invitation, all right, is to get the person to sit in front of you, get the person on a Zoom call, get the person to a presentation. Now, your brother, sister, best friend, hey, shut up, come right now, I need to talk to you. And they will come. All right, prospecting, the never-ending journey of keeping your radar on. Because every potential person you add to your list could be the next Arun, Adli, Sati, David, Dave Advani, Dave, Joel. All right, it could be any one of these people, guys. All right, because prospecting is the fundamental DNA of a networker. That everyone we see, I see a max out king. Anyone I meet, I see a max out, potential max out queen. All right, so remember, your name list needs to grow by 15 names every month. And then presentation, guys. All right, stay within that rubber band. Don't breach the code of ethics. Don't lie. You don't need to lie. All right, the truth will set you free. The truth is powerful enough for people to sign up. All right, with QNet. All right, the most amazing network marketing company in the industry. All right, remember, company, product, compensation plan, projections to create that excitement. Sign them up one-on-one. Yes, no, move on. All right, big, huge presentations works in certain markets and certain groups. Home meetings, one of my favorites. Inviting people home, but maintain the decorum of professionalism. Have a whiteboard, have a screen, have a projector, dress up properly. Don't serve heavy meals, or not they'll come for the food, not for the business. Using technology, Zoom, Skype, all right, FaceTime, any of the available platforms, Microsoft Teams, because the world is changing and people are embracing this philosophy of talking to each other on video, and the presentations I have been doing on video even more effective in my opinion than one-on-one, guys. So embrace technology and then follow through. Remember golf. The point the club hits the ball, that's the presentation. But if you want that ball to go far, you have to follow through, guys. Follow through is ultimately 24, 48 hours. All right, fundamentally important. Okay, feel, felt, found. Don't address it with your emotions, address it with facts, the truth. Ultimately, when you get them to bring down their rejection wall, you can go in and change their mind. I've done it thousands of times. But remember, some will, some won't. So what? Someone's waiting somewhere, guys. I don't care. I love it. Because you got tons of prospects waiting for you. Don't get attached to a rejection. Don't let a rejection impact you. And then, block number 7, strategize and counsel with your upline. Fundamentally important. Your upline is your lifeline. Anything you're unsure, counsel, 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 counsel. Every move you make, every new market, moving to a new market, starting a new market, placing a tracking center, whatever it is. All right, buying a car, buying a house, getting married, having kids, all of this. Strategize and counsel with your upline. Because they will at least be able to tell you the truth of what is the consequence of your decision and prepare you better for that. All right, like how until today, after 20 over years, every move I make, I counsel with my grand upline, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran, the greatest upline ever. And then, guys, come to block number 8, which I'm talking about right now. Duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. The greatest compliment you can get. And I still remember the first day I signed up, Dato Sri Vijay said, the day you can fly, Pathman, is when you create 1,000 Pathmans. When you create 1,000 PATHMANs, you have created history in the industry of network marketing. Duplicate, 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 guys. All right, give all your knowledge and give some more. All right, the better your downlines become, the faster you achieve financial freedom. I love you guys.